No steering, no brakes, just the engines.
All 524 occupants feel an explosive decompression as the pressure bulkhead fractures. Pressurized air rushes into the space behind the bulkhead, an area not designed to handle the instantaneous pressure change. This causes more ruptures in the back of the plane, and the vertical tail fin blows off the aircraft. The explosion is so sudden that everything takes place in less than half a second, and oxygen masks drop as the cabin becomes depressurized. The flight crew immediately calls out to the Tokyo Control Tower and requests authorization to return to the airport. Permission is granted, though now the crew realizes a problem. Because just like United Flight 232, all hydraulic lines have been severed in the explosion, caused by shrapnel flying out in the section where the lines come close together.